chapter 12, that is algebraic expressions. See exercise 12.1. First question, get the algebraic expressions in following cases. Subtraction of z from y. So how you will write? Y minus z. Then second part, 1/2 of the sum of numbers x and y. 1/2 means 1 upon 2. Sum of x and y means x plus y. Third part, the number z multiplied by itself. Itself means same number z into z. You can write z square also. Then fourth part, 1/4 of the product of numbers p and q. 1/4 means 1 upon 4. Product of p and q means pq. Then fifth part, numbers x and y both squared and added. Both squared means x square. You have to add this plus y square. Now students, see sixth part, number 5 added to 3 times the product of number m and n. So 3 times the product of m and n means 3mn, and number 5 added means plus 5. Then seventh part, product of numbers y and z subtracted from 10. So 10 minus yz. Then eighth part, sum of numbers a and b subtracted from their product. From their products, first you will do product of a and b, that is ab. Then minus sum of this a and b, a plus b. Now students, see second question, you have to identify the terms and their factors. Show the terms and factors by tree diagram. See a part, it is given x minus 3. So terms are x and minus 3, and factors in this are also x and minus 3. Factor tree you will make like this. Now see b part, 1 plus x square. In this 3 terms are there, 1, x and x square, and factors are 1, then x, like this only, x square factors will be x comma x. Factor tree you can see. Then see c part, y minus y cube. Terms are y and minus y cube, and factors will be y comma, then minus 1, then y power 3 is there, so you will write y 3 times. Factor tree like this. Then see second part, identify terms and factors in expressions given. You have to identify the terms and factors. First part is minus 4x plus 5. In this 2 terms are there, minus 4x and 5, and factors are minus 4 comma x, and here it is factor of 5 will be 5 only. Then see b part, minus 4x plus 5y. 2 terms are there, minus 4x and 5y. Factors, minus 4 comma x is factor of minus 4x, and 5 comma y is factor of 5y. C part, 5y plus 3y square. 2 terms are there, 5y and 3y square. Factors, 5y factors are 5 comma y, and 3y square factors are 3 comma y. Then see d part, xy plus 2x square y square. In this also 2 terms, xy and 2x square y square. Factors, x comma y, and here 2 comma x comma y. Then I am telling you f part, 1.2ab minus 2.4b plus 3.6a. Terms are 3, 1.2ab, then second is minus 2.4b, 3.6a. Like this factors you will see. Remaining parts of this question you have to try yourself. Now see third question, identify numerical coefficients of terms other than constants in following. So 5 minus 3t square is algebraic expression. You have to identify numerical coefficient. Here in this constant term is 5, so you will ignore that. Term will be minus 3t square and coefficient will be minus 3. Second part, 1 plus t square plus t cube. Terms will be t square and t cube, and coefficient will be 1 comma 1. Third part, x plus 2xy plus 3y. 3 terms are there, x, 2xy and 3y. Coefficients are 1, 2, 3. Then students see fifth part, minus p square q square plus 7p cube. In this two terms are there, one is minus p square q square and other is 7p cube. Coefficients are minus 1, 7. In this also remaining parts you have to try yourself. Now students see fourth question, a part, identify terms which contain x and give coefficient of x. So in this question you can see from book I have made table in this. First equation is y square x plus y, and in this terms with x you have to tell. So with x is y square x and coefficient of x is y square, so you will write y square. Like the second is 13y square minus 8yx, terms with x is minus 8yx and coefficient of x is minus 8y. Third part x plus y plus 2, in this term with x is only x only and coefficient of x is 1. Fourth part 5 plus z plus zx, in this terms with x is zx and coefficient is z. Now see its b part, we have to identify terms which contain y square and give coefficient of y square. It is just like a part only. First part is 8 minus xy square, in this term with y square is minus xy square and coefficient is minus x. Second part 5y square plus 7x, in this term with y square is 5y square and its coefficient is 5. Third part 2xy plus 7y square minus 15xy square. In this term with y square are two terms. First is 7y square and other is minus 15xy square. And coefficient of y square is 7 and here it is minus 15x. Now students see fifth question. You have to classify into monomial, trinomial and binomial. So in this you should know the algebraic expression which contains two terms is known as binomial, which contain one term is known as monomial, and which contain three terms is known as trinomial. So see first part 4y minus 7z, two terms are there, so it is binomial. Second part y square only single expression, so it is monomial. Third part x plus y minus xy, you can see three terms are there, so trinomial. Fourth part 100 single term, so it is monomial. Remaining parts of this question you have to try yourself. Now see sixth question. State whether a given pair of terms is of like or unlike terms. So you can see 1, 100 both are numbers, constant terms, so it is like term. Second part minus 7x and 5 upon 2x. So you can see same x is coming here also, so it is like terms. Third part minus 29x comma minus 29y. Here x is coming and here y is coming, so it is unlike term. Remaining parts try yourself. Seventh question. Identify like terms in following. These expressions are given, you have to identify the like terms. So in this minus xy square and 2xy square. Then second is minus 4yx square and 20x square y. And third is 8x square minus 11x square minus 6x square. Remaining parts try yourself. Thank you.